In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access to everyone, public sharing, in Google Sheets. If you've ever had people message you saying they can't open your spreadsheet and need to request access, this will fix that for good. First, open Google Sheets and load the spreadsheet you want to share. Make sure you're signed in to an account that owns the file or has permission to share it. When your sheet is open, look to the top right corner of the screen for the Share button. Go ahead and click that. A sharing window will appear. At the bottom of this window, you'll see a section labeled General Access. By default, it usually says Restricted, which means only people you explicitly add can open the file. That's why others see that Request Access message. Click the word Restricted to open the access options. From the list, choose Anyone with the link. This change allows anyone who has the link to open the file without asking you for permission. It's convenient for newsletters, websites, or large groups where you don't want to manually add every person. On the right side of that same row, you'll see a drop-down for permissions. You can choose Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. Viewer lets people see the spreadsheet but not change anything. Commenter allows them to leave comments and suggestions without editing the actual content. Editor gives full editing rights, meaning they can change data, formulas, formatting, and even share the file further. For public sharing, Viewer is the safest choice because it protects your content from unwanted edits and preserves your formulas and layouts. If you do need input from a broad audience, Commenter can be a good middle ground. Reserve Editor for trusted collaborators only. Once you've chosen anyone with the link and set the permission level you want, click the Copy Link button. You'll see a confirmation that the link has been copied to your clipboard. Now you can paste that link into an email, a chat, a document, or anywhere you want to share it. Anyone who clicks it will be able to open your sheet immediately without requesting access. A few quick reminders. Be careful not to share sensitive information publicly because anyone with the link can view it. If you ever need to revoke public access, return to the Share settings and change anyone with the link back to Restricted. And if you're using a work or school account, your organization may limit sharing options. That's it. Simple, reliable access for everyone with a single link.